Dear international students, welcome back to Full Scholarships. We are stuck to our slogan New Scholarship Every Day. So we will discuss about fully funded scholarship in Europe, and this scholarship does not require IELTS exam and it's for the session 2022-2023. The fully funded scholarship is provided by the foundation of Erasmus Plus. So this is different from the Erasmus and it's known as Erasmus Plus. So you don't need IELTS, you don't need high CGPA requirements to this scholarship. So this is the most awaited scholarship and almost everyone can get this scholarship. So there are a lot of seats to be filled. Before we discuss further about this opportunity and show you the live application process, I am reminding you again, if you are watching this video for the first time, please do subscribe. Also like the video, and you can get the scholarship link from the video description below. Check the video description, click on the link given there, and it will be redirected to our website here. You can also comment down, or you can also message us on Instagram and ask for the link. You can get the link in video in Instagram bio also, or watch our stories. So the simple way is just check the video description, click the arrow in the video description below, and the link is given in the top. Click on the link and you will be landed here. Now you don't need the work experience, there is no application fee required, and you can study masters and PhD degrees without IELTS. So duration will be 2 years for masters and 3 years for doctoral programs. So you can read about this, and highest number of students are selected for this, and you can study in Europe and other associated Erasmus Plus countries. So there is no limit. So if you want to study in Italy and any European country or its associates, you can easily study that. It's provided by the European Commission, and the financial coverage is fully funded. So the important point is here, the deadline for this opportunity is end of the March 2022. So you have enough time, you have about 5 months to apply for this scholarship. So here are the benefits. It will be covering everything, and there is no bond restriction to return to country. So here you can check list of requirements that are not required, and these are the exemptions you can say. So age restrictions are exempted. This one is very relaxation to international students, and having low CGPA like 2.5 are also accepted. So you can check if your English like your previous course was in English language, so you can submit that and you can omit the IELTS exam. So here are the fields available, you can check yours, and again I am reminding you the deadline is March 2022. So here you can check the scrolling end of this page is how to apply section for this Erasmus Plus scholarship. So scholarship process is completely online, and you have to fill only one application for admission, and there are dates. If you fill in between these slots, we will discuss about that in a while. So simply scroll down here, you can check red apply button. Now simply click on this apply button here. After clicking on that apply button, it will take you directly to this European Education and Culture Executive Agency page. So you can check EMJMD catalog here. So you can check courses and you can choose your course. You can filter these courses here, and once you check, all the courses are here. So once you choose your own course or you find it by here, so you can simply click on the website mentioned on your course. Now I have chosen this joint master's degree in economics and globalization and European integration. Now you can check the locations: Italy, Kyle, Belgium, Spain, China, Estonia, France. So I can study in these locations. So it depends on your choice where you can study. So you have no restrictions, either be it European countries or its associates or allies. Now click on the link of your course. Now in here my case the link is this. So I am clicking on it. So after clicking on that link, you can check the details about that course. So 7 participating countries are there. So I can be studying in any of the partner universities or countries. So you can check the course, you can read about it, and once you read about it, here is mentioned the website. Below the address or the grants, you can check website section, or simply can scroll down at the end, it's also given here. So click on the website given in the links. Now once I click that website, it will take me to the course page where I can read about course program, scholarship fees, testimonials, application processes, key people, and student corners. So you can read about it and you can check the top universities that are providing this course under the joint master's degree and under the scholarship provided by Erasmus Plus. Now on the top right you can check a red button showing apply now. To begin with the live application, here you have to click on this apply now button. Now click on this apply now. So you can check I have been redirected to the application form. So you can check clearly it's showing 0% completed. Now I have to complete 100% of it. So the 42 pages are left, so I have to complete all the pages. So let's begin the filling application process. Scroll down, here is the important point that I am considering worth saying. Between 15th of February 2022, so all the applications submitted up to 15th February 2022, so means up to 15th February 2022 will be automatically considered for scholarships. So you don't need to fill separately application. So once you fill scholarship up to this date, you will be automatically considered for scholarship. If somehow you miss the deadline and not submitted up to this deadline 30th May, so you will be considered as self-funded scholarships, self-funded students. So students who are accepted between have no got scholarship offer can enroll as self-studied self-funded students. So you will be automatically considered, so you don't have to fill separate application. Now here are the required documents that you need to submit, and scrolling down here you can check save and submit later, but on the right it is next button. Click on this next button here. So let the page load. Here you can check the first page. Now fill the information. So errors must be fixed. So now we have to upload CV and first name, last name. Now gender, select your date of birth, selecting date of birth, then place of birth, country of citizenship or passport. So you provide the following identity document. So I can say an international passport or national passport or ID card. Now upload the document here. So let me upload my document. So I have uploaded my document. Now scroll down, write your email, your phone number. Now upload the Europass format of your CV. So you can get Europass. You can simply Google and write Europass CV. Then complete it and then upload your CV here. So let me upload my CV first. So now I have uploaded both passport and CV. Now click on this next button. So 23% is completed. So now we have page second, the residence. That's our address. So you provide the following proof of address: certificate issued by local, or this any official document. So I'll be showing any official document. So now let me upload my residence proof. It can be your electricity bill, anything document that shows your address, or a simple national ID. Now you can check residential status. I am a national of a program country. So I am national of partner country. Since this I have not resided total more than, so simply then I am a national of a program country. No, I am not. So I have not resided, so I am selecting this. But this does not apply to me. So simply okay, program countries are here. So I am not. So it's mentioned I am everywhere. So let me choose this. Okay. So now click on next page. So 33% is complete. So your previous degree. Now main academic field of the degree. So it was economics. Now institution. Select country. Now official duration. It was 4 years. Have you graduated? Yes. Now graduation date. So now upload your diploma here. So after uploading my document, now GPA marks as score of your previous degree. Now the GPA, you can a GPA from 0 to 4. So if you have percentage, you can choose the 100 scale, or if you have GPA, you can use the 4 scale. Now for a better assessment of your courses, and you provide a link to web page describing your courses in English or document, I will upload. Okay, so I will upload my certificate of proficiency from my previous institute, but it's not IELTS TOEFL. So you can, if your English, if your transcript is mentioning the course was taught in English, you can upload that. But it is highly recommended to every international student that get an English proficiency certificate from your previous institute that your course was taught in English course. Now click next. So our page is 57% complete. So this page is optional, you can skip it. Now English proficiency, your English language proficiency, mother language. Okay, are you a native English speaker? Yes. So English speaking countries are there. Okay, so none of this applies. So upload your motivation letter. So after uploading motivation letter, now your purpose referee 1%. Okay, I will submit referee 1. I will have reference from only one person. Either you can submit from 2 also. Now email organization of that referee, and you can click next. Now do you have special needs? No, I do not have. I learned master. So you can, where from you, I have we almost from social media. So here I hereby, okay, now comment. We have nothing, then click on this submit button here. So you can check we have 87% complete, and that's all required from this. Now the page is loading, so we have submitted. Let's wait for the page to load and check what's there. So you can check, thanks for submitting your application, we have registered your application. You will receive an answer in March 2021. So we can edit our submission or fill again. So you can also download this PDF. I hope you have understood the whole process. And if you like this video, if you liked our dedication, please do subscribe before leaving this channel. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video.